my channel of Road Well Traveled. Today we are going to show you how to install a camper window and frames. We're remodeling our Lance Camper 2008 992 that we got. So this is video 2 of the remodel, and Mike just installed and I'll show you here, the camper window. So everything we purchased online off Amazon, super easy to do, took about an hour to install. With a little bit of know-how and the right tools, you can do it. So I videotaped it yesterday when we installed it. So hope you like the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, this is the box. You can get this on Amazon. This is what we used for trimming out the window. Went on really easy. Goes right into the areas that it's supposed to go in. This is orderable on Amazon, everyone. This was literally an hour's job for a novice person to do this window. Could not have been easier if you've got the right tools and equipment. We're just finishing up here, making sure everything's tight, and it looks really good.
And proper know-how.
And proper know-how.
Patience.
And patience.
Which normally I never have, but I have today.
Yes, you did. Looks great. We decided to go black on black. The exterior was a white frame and the interior was a black frame. No, sorry, the interior was a white frame and the exterior was a black frame, but we decided to do both black because it matches the inside.
And we kept the...
Okay, everybody, installed. Looks great. Brand new window, nice and sealed.
Once it gets cooler out and the sun's off of it, the putty that's sticking out will harden up, and then it's easier to take a razor blade and trim it off. Right now in the sun at this time of day, it's still tacky and sticky. It's best to let the sun get off it, let it get cooler, it'll be harder, and you just take a razor blade and trim off the excess on the inside all the way around and peel it off, and then the outside and peel it off.
All right.
And then it'll be watertight. Put your putty tape down here and join it at the bottom. That way everything drains down. Don't put a seam up here or up there. Water can leak in. This way it can at least run out if it does happen to leak a little, but it won't. It's really sealed good right now.
All right, looks good. That, my friends, is the perfect installation of a camper door window. It was probably one of the easiest projects we've done so far. So if any of you are intimidated by doing this, don't be. Really easy. Right, honey? Hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for our next upgrades. I'm going to show you light installation. We've replaced all of our lights in the camper to LED. We're going to show you next a video of installing one of the row lights. So that's another project we've been doing. So stay tuned. Okay, everybody, we just recarpeted this little section of the step ups, and then we're going to get ready to recarpet this. And then right now we're getting ready to replace this light with this one. So this is a new light, and it has a dimmer switch, which is pretty cool. And it has 25%, I don't know if you could see that. It has 25%, 50%, 75%. So, but we'll show you how it works. Mike's getting ready to replace this one over here. Gives you more headroom too. Again, Mike's 6'6", so, and he touches the light, but with the flatter, more flush one to the ceiling, he'll be able to stand up straighter. Okay, getting ready here. Okay, so this is the light off.
This is the new LED light that we installed. We took out the fluorescent light system because it came down at this height here, and I'm 6'6", so it was pretty close. So we installed this close hanging LED, and what's cool about these, you turn them on, you go 25%, 50%, 75%,
Okay, everyone, that concludes our projects for today. We installed the camper door window, which was super easy, took about an hour with very minimal tools. We also installed our light fixture up here, which was also a pretty easy project, took 15 minutes. Again, a little bit of know-how. You can Google it, not real hard at all. Also, I wanted to share with you, Mike installed this little guy up here because this wasn't working, so he just did this little slip latch thing. So pretty cool, lots of upgrades. The next project I'm going to be doing is probably installing our wood floor and doing little things here and there, and also replacing the carpet that is the step up to the bed. So if you guys have any suggestions for our next project, please leave comments down below. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all down the road. You guys all have a great day.